welcome to PokemonWave. Today we're going to be opening a Chilling Reign Swords and Shields pack. I'm Collector M, and if you have anything that I can do better, leave it in the comments. And before we start, make sure to like and subscribe. So we have 4 packs of Swords and Shields. We have a checklist. And we have this additional Pokemon. We have this additional Pokemon pack. So let's start to open it. So, and also, if you have anything that you want me to do in the comment, if you have anything that you want me to do, please leave it in the comments. Wow, there's a lot of the same cards. We have a lot of doubles. So now we're going to get into the packs. Whoa. So we had one luck pack with this card in it. And now let's get into the next pack. Not that much luck in this pack. Whoa, a rainbow card. And then we are down to our last pack. And that's all we have for today. If there's anything else you want to see, leave it down in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit hit the notification bell so you can see when the next video comes out. Bye.